The moment you hear the name Nano Banana Pro, you are going to start seeing it everywhere, and there's a reason creators won't stop talking about it. This new image generator inside Higgsfield AI gives you full creative control, your colors, your focus, your lighting, all rendered in stunning 4K across any aspect ratio. And here is the world apart. Nano Banana Pro is officially out on Higgsfield AI, and you can use it right now for free. You get 365 days, a full year of generating high quality, accurate 4K images at no cost when you sign up. Okay, so this is how you're going to access the Nano Banana. You come here to the image and then you click on Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so yours won't be having anything, it will be blank. Mine it has, because I was working on this project. Okay, so we're gonna come here to the settings, and then mine is on Nano Banana Pro. Make sure of that. And then the aspect ratio, there are lots of aspect ratio that you can just select depending on what you are creating the image for. So since I'm creating the image just for showing you, I will just choose the big size of the image. I'll choose the 16:9, which is actually perfect for YouTube. Okay, YouTube long form videos. Okay, and then we're gonna come here to the resolution. Okay, so with the resolution, we've got a different resolution. We've got 1K, and we've got 2K, and also we've got 4K, and then all of them are unlimited. Okay, so we're gonna come here to this button where it says unlimited. So you need to put it on like that. It's supposed to be green, or else it's gonna charge you on this side. As you can see, it shows for credit. So if you don't put it on, it's gonna charge you 4 credits. So we are looking for the free one, which is gonna be on this side. We're gonna put it on unlimited. So if it's like that, then you are good to go. You don't have anything to worry about. Okay, so I'm gonna just take you through to some of the images that I was working on in today. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this image. As you can see, this image I've just brought in. So where you brought in your image is here. You just click on this plus sign, and then you're gonna go to your where you have saved your images, and then it's gonna bring them into this website. Okay, so you can just bring as many images as you want. As you can see here, I just brought 5 models to be on this image. Okay, so this was just an image that was standing alone. So now they're in a group where they're sitting as a family, as friends, and then they're just there to dine. Okay, as you can see, this side I've got 3 models, which is myself, and the 2 other models that I actually created on using AI. Okay, so now this one has the mic, but you can also instruct the AI to remove the mic if you don't want the model to have the mic. So the mic was already there when when I bring the image into the website. Okay, so as you can see here, she's standing up as I instructed the Nano Banana to make her stand up as she's speaking to her friends. So now, as you can see, both of the models are facing towards her. So the attention is on her as she's the one speaking. All right, so on this one is 5 models that I've also created. So these models, I've featured them on my other videos. So now I brought them back into the Nano Banana to have a discussion. I don't know what they're discussing about. Maybe they're discussing about this new feature about the Nano Banana. So now I've just asked a Nano Banana to remove this one, as she is not interacting with the other ones. As you can see, see she's just facing towards the camera and she looks like she is lost. So I decided, let me just take her out, and then I put these ornaments on the image. That is why this image, the second image, has no there's no this lady on it. Okay, so I've got another image right here. So the image was just about this a laptop, the pen, the handset, and then also with the cup of coffee. And then I asked Nano Banana to remove the cup of coffee, which it did, which she did remove it. And then on this side I asked her to put myself behind the desk, and then there I am sitting behind the desk looking at some of the information on the iPad. All right, so now we can I can just show you on how actually I managed to create these images. So I'm gonna just bring some of the images just to create something different. I'm not going to create the same thing that I've just created here. Okay, so remember, you're gonna get it you're gonna get this for 365 the whole year. You are not going to pay for anything, so it's for free to use Nano Banana with the Higgsfield AI. Just bear in mind the date will be the 24th. After the 24th, you won't able to access this offer. I can just call it an offer. So you need to make sure that you are on you go right now to access this. I'm gonna just leave my I'm gonna leave the link in the description so that you can just access this easily. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a prompt right here so that I can just give it a way forward on what to do with the image, with these images. So let's just put it here, click on unlimited, and then we're gonna just wait for some few minutes. Okay, so while waiting, because it's still in the queue, I'm gonna just add another one. Click on unlimited. We're gonna wait for them to finish. All of them are on a queue right now, so you'll be back when they are done. Okay, so now I've got these images, the car, and they're just sitting here and then speaking, they're chatting to each other. And then we've got this other one where they actually just, they look like they're walking. Okay, so now they are wearing different clothes, especially these two models, the one with no hair. Okay, as you can see here, they're wearing long pants. They're matching with this one, and then this one is actually matching with the top, then here is wearing the different clothes. Okay, so since this is an AI, it sometimes makes the mistakes. So we've got three ladies on this image with no hair, and then we had the lady with afro, but now we don't see her in the car. So we've the Nano Banana to rectify that mistake. Image looks perfect as the way they are. So you can see now there's a different driver right now. So the Afro girl is the one that drives. So this just shows you that what you can actually do with the Nano Banana. You can just edit where you need to edit. You can just add some things that you want to add, so you have no limitation at all. So when you are done with this, you can just come here to download the image. You can just download them here, so you can see how easy it is to create the images and edit them with the Nano Banana in Higgsfield AI. So I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.